Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can translate on Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And for example, I'm going to translate this one. I'm going to translate it from Indonesia to English. So if I want to translate some sentences or tags in the Microsoft PowerPoint, we can go to the review right here, and then we can use the translate feature in this review menu. I'm going to select the tags I want to translate, and then we can simply click on translate, and then I'm going to select Indonesian right here. It's automatically detected actually, so I don't need to change it, and I'm going to translate it to English, and we can click on Insert. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the text has been replaced with the translation, the English translation. Okay guys, and that's all the way to translate in Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!